Hi, Abdullah here again from Lingo School of Languages, and today it's a new video related to compulsions. So what are compulsions? Today I'm going to tell you about something related to compulsion which you need to use in your daily life, and you need to describe your present experience, your present responsibilities, your past responsibilities, and your future responsibilities. So what are compulsions? Compulsions are basically those elements, those things, those kind of sentences which you need to tell people when you're required to tell about your responsibilities. Like that, if I ask you something related to your present responsibilities, like what you need to do now for your family, what you need to do now for your religion, what you need to do now for your neighborhood, what you need to do now for your country. So in that, for that you need to use, and you can say, I have to take care of my family, I have to do better for my job, I have to keep my society clean. So what all these sentences are representing, all sentences are representing your responsibilities. Like these are such things that you need to do today and present in your life. And similarly, when somebody asks you about your past responsibilities, like when you were a kid, when you were a child, when you were a school student, so at that time what were your responsibilities? Like, when you were a child, when you were a kid, when you were a school student, so it was our responsibility to get up early in the morning, to wake up early in the morning, to be prepared for school, to be school on time, to take classes regularly. So you can say, I had to take classes regularly when I was a school student. Or you can say, I had to be on time, but unfortunately I haven't been on time there. Like if you can say, if you have promised your friends or someone that you will be there on time, like for example in a shopping mall or anywhere where you are gonna meet them, but you haven't been there for any reason, so you can say, I had to be on time there, but unfortunately for any kind of reason you haven't been there. Okay, now moving towards will have to. So what's will have to? Will have to, it explains your future responsibility. Like when you'll get married, when you'll get a better position, when you'll be in a better position in your society, when what you want to be in your future, and what kind of place you want to be in future, what you want to live in future, and what kind of lifestyle you want to acquire in the future. So in that case we can use will have to describe that. Like you can say, I will have to earn money to get a better living for my family. I will have to go abroad to for higher studies. You can say, I will have to be on time to get a good to spend some good time with my friends. So all those responsibilities related and associated with your future, you can describe it by simply using will have to in your sentence. Now, what all I have explained you in English, I'll be repeating all of these things in Urdu for you. तो आज हम क्या बात करने जा रहे हैं? आज हम बात करने जा रहे हैं कंपल्शंस की. कंपल्शंस यानी जिम्मेदारियाँ. जिम्मेदारियाँ वो कौन सी जिम्मेदारियाँ जो हमें निभानी पड़ती हैं, हमारे लिए ज़रूरी होती हैं अपनी रोज़ाना की ज़िंदगी में, और हमारी माजी में और हमारे मुस्तक़बिल में, जो हमारे लिए ज़रूरी होती हैं, कि जिनके बारे में हम अगर कोई हमसे पूछे तो हम उसको किस तरीक़े से सामने वाले को बता सकते हैं. तो सामने वाले को उन जिम्मेदारियों, उन रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ के बारे में बताने के लिए हम अगर हमारी प्रेजेंट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ यानी वो तमाम काम, वो तमाम जिम्मेदारियाँ जो हमें आज करनी हैं, जो हमारे लिए, जो हमारी डेली रूटीन में शामिल हैं, हमारे प्रेजेंट में शामिल हैं, तो हम हैव टू का यूज़ करते हैं. और वो तमाम चीज़ें जो हमारे पास्ट से रिलेटेड हैं, यानी जो हमारे माजी से रिलेटेड हैं, तो उन तमाम बातों को बताने के लिए, उन तमाम को एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए हम हैड टू यूज़ करते हैं. और जो हमारे फ्यूचर से रिलेटेड हैं, यानी फ्यूचर में हम कौन सी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ हमें हमारे लिए यानी ये कह सकते हैं कि हमें उनको निभाना है, हमें उनको पूरा करना है, तो हम विल हैव टू यूज़ करते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आप प्रेजेंट की बात कीजिए, तो आप अभी क्या कर रहे हैं अपनी सोसाइटी को बेटर करने के लिए, बेहतर बनाने के लिए, अपनी विसिनिटी को बेहतर करने के लिए, यानी अपने सराउंडिंग को, अपनी सोसाइटी को, अपनी फैमिली को, अपने रिलीजन को और अपनी कंट्री को. इसी तरीके से आप पास्ट में जब आप स्कूल स्टूडेंट थे, या आप कॉलेज स्टूडेंट थे, या कोई भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी जो आपके ऊपर पहले थी लेकिन अब नहीं है, तो उसको आप कैसे डिस्क्राइब करते हैं? तो उसको हम हैव टू के ज़रिए डिस्क्राइब करते हैं। और विल हैव टू जो हमारे ऊपर फ्यूचर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ आने वाली हैं कि भाई शादी है और आप एक अच्छी ज़िंदगी गुजारनी है और अच्छा रोज़गार हासिल करना है और अच्छी नौकरी की तलाश में आप बाहर जाते हैं मुल्क से, तो तमाम की तमाम बातों को आप विल हैव टू के ज़रिए डिस्क्राइब कर सकें। सो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट कंपल्शंस एंड our today's video, it explains you in detail about how to implement compulsions and its structures in your daily conversation when you need to explain and tell anyone related to your responsibilities associated with your present, past and future. So I hope you would have enjoyed this video and you have liked it. So if you have liked my today's video, I would really love you to like it, subscribe it and subscribe to the channel of Lingo School of Languages. And if you want to find me, you can find me at any nearest branch in Karachi of Lingo School of Languages. Thank you.